How to reverse e-wallet payment on FNB app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Since there is no direct way to actually reverse the e-wallet payment, you have to reach out to the FNB customer service. Over here, if you check out the help and support of FNB, you will see two of the email addresses. You can go ahead and write down your query or your request to reverse the e-wallet payment for your FNB application. So what you can do is you can email into this respective email address and request for a reversal. You might need some of the verification for this. If not, you can contact via phone in the given phone number in its website as well. So those are some of the ways you can try to reverse the e-wallet payment on FNB Bank. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.